Meet the Dreametech L10 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop. A robotic vacuum with excellent navigation lidar, 4,000 pascal strong suction, 2.5 hours runtime, robotic vacuum for pet hair, hard floor and carpet. Dealing navigation and obstacle identification, precision laser navigation. Real-time perception recognizes and high-precision 3D technology will identify more than 100 obstacles. Effectively reduces accidental entanglement and intelligently decides what to do around obstacles. Scrub and sweep with 4,000 pascal suction, strong suction easily lifts dust, pet hairs from floors or deep carpets. Simultaneous dry and wet cleaning. Clean your house to the standard. Excessive runtime, this 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner with a 5,200 mAh battery, up to 150 minutes working time. This data is from the Dreametech lab. There will be a little difference due to the difference in usage situation. Phone app and voice control, save multiple maps, dead or merge areas, label rooms, set no-go zones so that certain areas are not cleared or fully controlled by IM app and Alexa voice control. The terrain scanning laser precisely scans the ground up and down to optimize path planning when clearing. The 3D reconstruction laser completely reconstructs the 3D model of ground obstacles to accurately avoid obstacles. Compared with common LDS vacuum cleaner, it has higher accuracy to avoid obstacles and higher cleaning efficiency. Picks up pet hair, dust and debris. The powerful 4,000 pascal suction completely eliminates everyday messes. Multiple maps for various floor plans. Save up to 3 maps for optimal cleaning in multi-story homes. Long clean and recharge. Up to 150 minutes of continuous cleaning with automatic recharge until the job is done. There are already thousands of satisfied customers. See Wade's account. He says he used to have an iRobot Roomba, however it's very noisy and not smart, so we've been cleaning it for a long time. After we moved into a one-story house with hardwood floors and a kid who messes up quite often, we decided to give the robotic vacuum another chance to free our hands. We compared many brands and finally found the Dreametech L10 Pro, one of the newest products from a well-known company. Without letting us down, it works beyond our expectation. The sounds are much smaller than the old robot vacuum I had, and it created the floor map on the first clean, and all the areas I expected were covered. Not to mention the map is very accurate, even the built-in cabinet is detected. The results were also good, even without rubbing. My son started to run barefoot and felt much better. I am totally satisfied with this purchase and will definitely recommend it to our friends. Don't waste any more time, order yours now by visiting the official website, link in the video description and pinned in the first comment.